viewers, again welcome. Today we are going to share something beautiful designs, my creative friends. Today we are diving something fun with colorful and full of X-Max spirit button and beautiful crafting ideas. Beautiful, we share jute craft and beautiful crafting ideas. So hope you enjoying these designs and very beautiful collections. So we are sharing with you these beautiful crafting ideas. Hope you enjoying all ideas and designs. Today I am going to share. So here is very beautiful and amazing crafting collection. So viewers, hope you enjoying these all ideas and designs. And we share something beautiful and amazing. In this video we explore some X-Max craft ideas, how they brings beauty to your home, to our home, and how the simple act of crafting can help with mindfulness relaxation. So grab your glue and little imagination and there's something crafting materials like pine cones and crafting materials. What do you want to make? And let's begin this joyful crafting journey together. You don't need expensive tools or materials, just colorful things and little glue, cardboard, strings, and creativity. Crafting comes in different colors, shapes, and sizes like paper and many types of colors, and that's what makes crafting with them so exciting. Cute X-Max ornaments you can make, sparkling wreath decoration, festive gift cards, or even wall art using only buttons and glue. The best part, it's eco-friendly. You can reuse old buttons from cloth or sewing kits, reducing waste while creating something new and beautiful. You can create a table centerpiece with 3 bottles, mason jars, add some beautiful colors, add some pine cone. Let's talk about beautiful X-Max craft ideas and beautiful right home this festive season. Wreath ornaments from a small ring using cardboard from an old jar lid as a base cover with green button. Add red one for berries and tie red ribbon on bottle top. Perfect for hang on your door or X-Max tree. You can make some X-Max tree, you can make some door wreath, you can make some greeting cards. In this season, you can make some very best crafting ideas, whatever you want to make. Each of these crafts add warmth, personally and handmade beauty to your X-Max celebration. Now let's talk about why crafting, especially during the holiday, is so beneficial for your mind and heart. When you focus on placing each button carefully, you forget your worries. Your mind becomes calm and present. Crafting is like meditation. It helps you to stay peaceful and centered. The repetitive motion of sorting, gluing, or designing relaxing your body, or you can do your crochet thing, felt craft. Crafting releases dopamine, the happiness chemical, making you feel good instantly. Working with buttons in different colors and shapes open your imagination. You start thinking in new ways and find joy in simple things. Crafting teaches us reuse and recycle, reducing waste while making beautiful art. It's good for us and good for the planet. When you finish a craft, a sense of achievement fills you with confidence and pride. It reminds you that small things can create big happiness. X-Max is a season of love, joy, and creativity, the perfect time to slow down and craft mindfully. Instead of reusing for store-bought decor, sit with your family and kids and make something different, crafting ornaments together. Laugh while gluing buttons, share stories while crafting, turn your creative time into quality time. Mindful crafting not only makes your home more beautiful but also fills it with positive energy and emotional warmth. crafting as a growing skill or business? Did you know that crafting can also grow into a business, small business? People love buying handmade decorations, especially around Xmas. You can sell your button Xmas craft online on Instagram or local markets. Simple ideas like button crafting wreath or tree ornaments are affordable to make but look premium, perfect for gifts or decor lover. So while crafting relaxes your mind, it can also open the doors to creativity, purpose, and maybe even a little extra income. So friends, as we end today's creativity journey, remember this: crafting isn't just about making beautiful things, it's about making beautiful moments. Every craft, every paper, every color you choose adds not only the your decoration but also to play peace of mind. This expects this holiday, decorate your heart, designing to your imagination as much as your home with creativity, mindfulness, and joy. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring DIY and mindfulness craft ideas. Until next time, keep crafting, keep smiling, keep spread happiness, and keep spreading love. Thank you for being a part of this video. We are trying to definitely upload most amazing and most beautiful ideas.